school and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing a super cute birthday cake. Let's get started. Let's start with the base of our cake. Draw a big rectangle. It's going to be the main part of the cake. Nice and smooth edges make it look yummy already. Now, let's add 3 candles on top of the cake. Draw 3 rectangles evenly spaced along the top edge of the cake. Time for the icing. On the top edge of the cake, draw wavy lines to make the icing look like it's dripping down. You can make the drips long or short. It's your cake, so have fun with it. Then, draw a flame at the top of each candle. It's shaped like a teardrop. Don't forget to add little wavy lines on the candles to make them look fun and colorful. Now, let's give our cake a cute face. Draw 2 big ovals for the eyes and a small curved line for the smile. Doesn't it look adorable? Let's make this cake even cuter by adding decorations. Draw little dangling strings under the icing and add shapes like stars, circles, and triangles. You can add as many as you like. These will be like fun ornaments on our cake. Add tiny circles inside eyes for a sparkle and color them in. Wow! Our cake is looking amazing. Now it's time to add some color and make it pop. You can use any colors you like. Pink, blue, rainbow, or even chocolate brown. It's all up to you. I'm using blue for the cake base, pink for the icing, and yellow for the flames. Don't worry if your coloring looks a little different. Every cake is special because it's made by you. Did you know the first birthday cakes were made in Germany a long time ago? They used candles to represent how old someone was, just like we do today. Isn't that cool? By the way, this cute cake drawing is perfect for so many occasions. You can draw it as a birthday card for your friends or family, use it to decorate a party invitation, or even just draw it for fun when you're craving something sweet. Who would you draw this for? Wow, your cake looks delicious. You did such an amazing job. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.